Hi, teachers. Discussions and quizzes are two of the most powerful tools in Canvas. Discussions allow students to share multimedia, concepts, ideas, and honestly, just work in a collaborative environment online. Quizzes allows us to have discussions about the right and wrong answer, and quickly assess the ideas that students are exploring. However, both of those tools can take a while to grade. So Canvas created an extra tool to go on top of discussions and quizzes, which is called Rubrics. Adding a rubric to a discussion or a quiz can allow teachers to quickly grade both assignments in record time. Let's go check out how to create a rubric inside a discussion and a quiz.
Rubrics are one of those tools that every teacher needs to have at their disposal. Canvas recognizes this and allows us to add rubrics to whatever assignment or activity that we're going to have our students do, including quizzes and discussions. Now, quizzes and discussions might not seem like a place where having a quiz could be helpful, but it's going to help speed up your grading and clarify exactly what we're asking of the students. We're going to start by looking at rubrics for quizzes. First, click on the quizzes button on your side panel, and we'll take us to our quizzes. Now, I already have a Google and Canvas for Students quiz ready to go. I'm going to click into it. And where is my rubric button? Usually under assignments, it's underneath the assignment description. In quizzes, it's actually up in the three dots. We click Show Rubric, Add Rubric, and then we can start creating. Now, as a refresher from previous videos, you can add any descriptions or criterion that you would like to have in your video or in your rubric throughout the rubric. Beyond that, you can also change the point values, and then you can also create all sorts of aspects that you might want in your rubric. Once you're done, go ahead and click Add Rubric, Create Rubric, and then it's attached to your assignment. We can also go ahead and add a rubric to a discussion. So start by clicking on Discussions. Notice I already have a discussion made called Discussion 1. When I click into it, the first thing I'm going to want to do is click Edit so that I can turn this discussion into a graded discussion. By doing that, it'll allow me to do rubrics as well. You can add a point value, but then also by making discussions graded, we're allowed to use rubrics and make the process of grading discussions much more quick and easy for us as teachers. After we've clicked Save, now we can go up to our three dots, click Add Rubric, and we're able to add a rubric to our discussion. Again, you can add whatever criteria or point values, or you can even grab outcomes from your class and import them into the discussion rubric. This allows for straightforward, clarified grading processes with our students. Once you're done, you go ahead and click Create Rubric, and it will attach to your discussion and be used when you are grading in SpeedGrader. Now, just a quick note, anytime that we have extra material in our discussions, it's going to add extra time to our grading process. For instance, if I ask students to create a video and then respond with video, I'm going to have to watch those videos in order to grade. So something to consider is maybe cutting down on that or figuring out specific ways that make it simpler for you to grade. Adding engaging activities to your discussions might sound great on paper, but in the grading process, it might create situations where you're spending extra time either grading all of the audio or video components or grading specific things within the quizzes that takes extra time. Be cognizant of the things that you need to grade and how long it's going to take, and also use rubrics throughout your course to achieve maximum grading potential. Thanks so much for joining us for quizzes and discussion rubrics. Enjoy!